Damn, bro. I just freaking blew the account, man. This is ridiculous, bro. I just blew my freaking account, man. Bro, it's crazy, man. This is really ridiculous, man. It's crazy. But, I just blew my account. And it's like, bro, these past couple of weeks, man, I just been going through it, bro. I really have just been going through it. And I'm just trying to talk with God, like, what do you want me to do? Like, for real, like, God, what do you want me to do? Like, I keep blowing these accounts, and I'm like, bro, it's ridiculous, man. It's crazy. But y'all know what, though? I'm gonna keep on pushing, though. I cannot stop, bro. You cannot stop on this journey. If you guys are on this journey as well, comment down below. But you guys cannot stop on this journey. But yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, honestly, I feel like what it is I think I'm still stuck in the old way of looking at the market, Since I just moved, after what I did to get here, I have to keep on doing it, bro. I don't know why I'm keep on trying to switch strategies, Like, I'm only supposed to be trading nows, bro. This week again, I made the same mistake again, bro. This, like, it's not even funny no more. Like, I'm sick and tired of doing this, bro. I'm just blowing money when I could use that to either go to a water park, go have fun, do something, bro. Like, I'm tripping, bro. So what I did, I switched my pairs just because I took a loss, bro. I was like, oh damn, I took a loss in pairs. So I was like, okay, what if this pair gives me money? Dumbest mistake, bro. You're only supposed to take 1 to 2 trades a max in a day, bro. That is it. If I take 1 L, I'm done. It's that simple. I'm done for the day. Like, but I know I'm gonna get better, though. I know for sure. So next week, I have to run it back again. I gotta do it all over again. I gotta get another account again, and just keep on running it up. And it's crazy. To become consistently profitable, bro, I just feel like you gotta keep on pushing, bro. It doesn't matter how many losses you take. We have to keep on going. We have to keep on going, but we cannot stand still. We cannot get complacent. We cannot be mad because we take so many losses, bro. It comes with it. But we have to manage our risk. So that's all it is. It's about, what time is it? It's not 104. It's about 104 a.m. right now, So London session about to start in 2 more hours. I'm not going to trade London session, I gotta wait for my session to come in. So I'm just being patient, man, just back testing, just studying the markets, just doing what I need to do, writing down my goals, so I can get prepared for tomorrow, So that's all I'm about to do. I might go in the hot tub. I don't know. I might just take a little break just before I get ready for tomorrow. It's because tomorrow, trading day tomorrow. And I just want to get ready for it, get my mind right, and just be patient, honestly. So, and it's the journey, man, on becoming profitable in the markets, man. And honestly, just keep on stacking, man. Just keep on getting payouts, man. That's my goal. So I'm gonna see you guys soon. See you guys tomorrow. And hopefully we have a wonderful day, man. Hopefully we have a wonderful green day tomorrow, bro, So I'm gonna see you guys soon. Let's get to it. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Trading, bro. Like, this journey, bro. It's really been rough, I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking that. But yeah, so right now I'm just doing some Uber Eats, man. I gotta stack back up so I can find my own account, But I'm just like, God, like, what should I do? Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've really been, like, blowing accounts, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, really blowing accounts, but I gotta figure out what could I do, It's been hard, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is just the journey, man. As a trader, man, and honestly, I don't know why I'm on this journey, honestly, bro. But I just know that God has a bigger thing in store for me. And I feel like he just wants me to record the journey, So, man, real soon, God gonna bless me for sure. Real soon, God is gonna bless me, And then I'm doing these orders, I got a stock for my account. sometimes in life, bro, whenever things not going right, you just gotta keep on going, because you can't just complain and just sit there like, damn, like nothing's going right, you know. You just gotta keep on pushing in life, you know. You gotta keep on going forward to all of your goals in life and just achieve it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So I just made the second delivery, and I'm about to do some more right now. But you know, like on the way to making the delivery, I'm just filling my brain, I'm just filling my subconscious mind, you know, with motivational videos, with just like Jim Rohn, you know, Bob Proctor, or Kobe, you know, everybody that you know. I feel like it just makes your head and it makes your brain just more clear, and you actually know, and just giving you gems on base, like what to think about. You know, we basic control of our life. You know, a lot of people, they just fill their brains with music and with a lot of bad things in their brain. You know, but that's not helping them. I know the music might sound good. I know that like the beat might crank, you know, but it's really not good for you, because you're just filling your subconscious mind with just negativity. You know, the music is really controlling you, and y'all don't even know it. But if you guys want to live a better life, if you guys want to become profitable in the markets, bro, and just be able to achieve your dreams, you gotta start filling your mind with things that you want. You gotta start filling your minds with things that you know you already have, and that's one good gem too. Already say that you have. If you're going for something, don't say I want it, because you're gonna keep on having that lack mindset. You gotta keep on saying that I already have it. I already have the Lamborghini. I already have the house. I already retired my mom. I already retired my pops. I already did all of that. I already blessed my brother. You know, you gotta keep on saying I have this. If you want a mansion, I have a mansion. I have 7 figures in the bank. I have 8 figures, 9 figures, whatever you want. You know, so just keep on training your mind. Keep on telling yourself what you're gonna do, and just do it. Stop listening to music. Stop doing the bad things you don't need to be doing. Stop following everybody else. You know, become successful. Become the person that you want to be. And then real soon you're gonna be able to live your life, because that's what I'm doing. That's what I did. You know, I said I wanted to go somewhere, and I did it. I said I want to move to a luxury house. I did it. You know, so you gotta keep on pushing, and you're gonna achieve your goals too. Just keep on putting God first. Also, number one, and you're gonna keep on achieving whatever you desire.